Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have got my March Boxycharm unboxing. I have been waiting for this box literally all day. I've been doing like this huge deep clean of my entire house today because I have the day off. And like every 15 minutes, I've been like creeping towards the window to see if the mailman's there. And he finally came about an hour ago. So I finally have the chance to sit down and show you guys what's in my box this month and kind of go through and test some stuff out. Okay, so first of all, I do want to mention that my box is ginormous. This looks like a premium or like a luxe box, but it's not. It's just a regular base box. So that was exciting that I got a big box because I guess it means good goodies. So the first thing that I got in my box this month, I actually did get the little insert, so I'm so happy because I know last month I didn't get it and I was like, "Argh." It wasn't that big of a deal, but like it kind of was. So anyway, I got this insert, and I guess this month's theme is boxy edgy, so I have all the products that I got in here listed with all the prices. So the first thing that I got that I want to mention, this is the item that I chose. This is from Sutra Beauty, and this is their 19mm mini ceramic curling iron. Mine is in pastel yellow. They had a yellow one and a purple one, which I was secretly hoping for the purple one because purple is like my favorite color, but I got the yellow one. Not that that affects how the product will work, but this is so cute. So also one thing I want to mention, because I'm sure if you've been following me, you clearly can notice that my hair is gone. I cut off 12 inches the other day, so that was super exciting, and I was partially influenced because I got to choose this in my boxy, so I was like, this mini wand would be perfect for my short hair. So I'm gonna be testing this out for you guys. I'm excited because this is the first time that I've tried to like curl my hair now that it's short. I used to have it short like 2 years ago, but it's been a while since I've lived this short hair life, my little lob. So I'm gonna see how well this works. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned the price. So this retails for 50 bucks. Wow. That little red light on so you can clearly see that it's on. I'm not sure how long it takes to heat up, so I'm just gonna set this down for a minute. So it says that you get like professional quality with this curling iron. It's safe for all hair types and it has a max temperature of 370 degrees Fahrenheit. It says that you can adjust the temperature, but I don't know how you would do that because it just has this one switch that says like on and off. So I don't know how you would adjust the temperature, but oh well, I've got it all the way turned on, so we'll see. I'll give that a minute to sit so it can kind of heat up. And I'm first gonna start off by like sectioning off my hair. So when my hair was long, I would typically section off into 3 different pieces, like 3 different layers. But since it's obviously way shorter and I have way less hair to work with, I'm just gonna section off into 2, kind of like the top half from the bottom half. And as you can see, my hair is like really, really short right now, so I think this mini wand will be perfect. I just really hope that it's able to like curl it properly because my hair is so short. This has been sitting for about 2, almost 3 minutes now, turned on, so I think it's hopefully heated up enough that I can start. Just have this back piece of my hair kind of sectioned off like this, and I'm just going to take the wand and actually go right behind my head, place it, and then I'm going to wrap the hair backwards around the wand. I'm just going to have this sit. I usually count to 10-ish, like 10 Mississippi, but I don't know how like hot this is going to be, so I'm just going to have it sit for a minute, and I'm just going to let the curl go. And normally I like to have the curl sitting in my hand for a couple of seconds, and I kind of mess with it. I just like to hold it while it cools down so it still keeps that curled shape. So then that is what it looks like, and then I'm just going to, you know, kind of run my fingers through it really fast so it's not so like perfect, like spirally looking. And then this piece, I'm actually going to put the wand this time in front of the hair and then wrap it forwards. I like to alternate the way that I curl my hair. That way it gives it a little bit more texture, and also all the curls aren't just like lumping together because they're going the same direction. Just kind of play with it. I don't want it to be like super like tight spirally curls, so I'm just kind of doing a little bit of like a loose look today. And I'm trying not to take like super big pieces of hair because I feel like sometimes the more hair that you gather together, the less that it'll curl, or like the less that the curl holds. It also takes a bit longer too. You have to hold it, hold the hair onto the wand a little bit longer if you have too much, so it's better to work in small pieces. And also when you're curling like the front pieces of your hair, you always want to curl away from your face, so that way it frames your face nicely. I'm just gonna kind of scrunch it a little bit, mess with it, kind of comb it out. So now that I've got one side of my hair done, I'm going to go off camera and finish the other side, and then I can come back and show you the completed hair look. I just did these little loose curls throughout my hair, and I left some pieces straight too, so it wasn't super like curled looking, if that makes sense. It's more of like a loose, easygoing, just kind of like a lightly textured look. I really like the look of it. I think it's so cute, and the size of that wand was perfect for my short hair, so I'm really happy with it. I think it would be super great if you did have short hair like mine, or if you just need it for something to like on the go, like travel use. I think that's a great wand. The only thing I will say is if you are a beginner with wands, you might want to invest in looking for like a heat resistant glove. That one in particular did not come with one, but I have several wands from Remington, I think the brand is, and they usually come with like the heat resistant ones. So that's the only thing I would say, because it is kind of easy to burn yourself with a wand if you're not like familiar with using one. Moving on to the rest of my box. So I got a couple of products that I obviously cannot use in this video because they're not really like makeup related. So the first thing is from this brand Spongel, which I've never ever heard before, but I like the way that the name sounds. This is their French Lavender Body Wash Infused Buffer. What is this? I don't even know. So this retails for $16. And it says this is a unique body wash infused buffer, changes instantly underwater as you squeeze for a sensual exfoliating massage. Texture too as soft as silk. And it says you can get 14 washes out of this. So I just want to see what this is. I guess you just use it to like cleanse your skin because it's infused with like body like cream or whatever. Oh, what the heck? It's like a flower. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells like an expensive soap. What the heck? Okay, this actually does look like a bar of soap though because it's so stiff. It's got this like clear like packaging around it, so I'm not gonna take it out, but this is just what it looks like. It definitely looks like a bar of soap and like a sponge combined. I don't know if that makes any sense, but this is neat. It's like weighted too, so I can definitely feel that there's like soap in there. This is cute, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to try this out. Also in my Boxy this month, I got this Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This is from the brand Pharmacy, and this is their Very Cherry Clean Cleansing Balm. How much does this retail for? $34. And I guess, let me see what it looks like. Oh, it's got like this little, oh, what the heck? It comes with this little like scoop thing. I guess you don't have to like dig your nails into it. How do you get the top off? The heck? I can't get the top off. Oh. Oh my god, I'm stupid. Okay. Ooh, it does smell like cherries. Okay, look at that. It definitely looks like solid. It doesn't look like a liquid. Like I can do this and it's not going to come out. I guess you just would like scoop this in and like put it on your face. That looks so cool. And it's supposed to like melt away your makeup and cleanse your face. I cannot wait to try this. I'm going to try this out tonight actually when I'm removing all my makeup. But that is so neat. I love how it comes with that little like scooper too, so you don't have to worry about getting it all up in your nails, because I hate when I have to dig into like makeup or skincare products and it gets all up under my nails because I have very long nails. So I'm excited, and I love that it smells like cherries. So cute. Moving on to the actual makeup, I got two makeup products in my box this month. The first one is from the brand Hank & Henry, and this is their Living in Color eyeshadow palette. That is what it looks like. I don't know how well you can tell because the packaging is kind of like metallic. I think this is so nice. Okay, I guess they do have names on the back of the palette, so that's where all the names are. So let me see. I'm gonna go in with the shade Dragon Blood, which is like this matte brown shade right there. It's really deep, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this directly into the crease. Already, I feel like it's going on somewhat patchy. I have been layering it up, but let me zoom you in so you can really see what I'm talking about. See how like right in the inner portions, it's got like that like skipping, like there's like lines. I just don't know if it's really grabbing onto like all areas of my eyes like it should be. And like I said, I already like technically primed and like set down my lids with powder, so there really shouldn't be any like skipping or patchiness. This is like more of a caramel brown shade, and I'm going to take that and go right above it and kind of buff that previous shade out a little bit more. And I'm moving on. I really want to dive into some shimmer. So this teal shimmery shade right up in this upper right corner is so beautiful. It's caught my eye ever since I first opened the palette. And this one is called Petticock? No way. I don't know why they named it that, but anyway, that's the shade. That's the shade, and I really want to use it because it's beautiful, so I'm going to go ahead and please tell me I'm not... No, it doesn't even say peacock. It says petticock. I just can't get over that. Sorry. Okay, anyway, I'm going to take this shade on a flat shader brush, packing it on, and then I'm going to go in and mist my brush a little bit so this shade can be super intense. Oh yeah, this is definitely taking a bit of work to kind of build it up to get it super pigmented to be like what I want to be. So I definitely recommend packing this on instead of like brushing it on. Teal might actually be my favorite color. I know earlier I think I said purple was my favorite color, but I think teal is. I also was born in December. Hello, all my Sagittarius friends. So what is my birthstone? I don't know. This is actually my birthstone right now, what I'm wearing. It's a Kendra Scott necklace, so I feel like this is kind of matching that vibe. Like birthstone colors. I can't think of the name of what the actual stone is called right now, but it's something teal. I know that. I don't know if I want to go into this matte blue shade or not. I think I'm gonna. Okay, I'm actually gonna take that matte blue shade on a little tiny Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna use this in my crease to kind of blend the teal and that like orangey brown warm tone shades I put in the crease together. I feel like my eyes are so dark right now. I want to lighten them up just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the shade down here called La Canela. Every time I hear the name Canela, I think of Brother Nature. So I did go ahead and apply some mascara, but that is what the finished eyes look like. I don't know if I mentioned, but that Hank & Henry palette does retail for $27. So $27 for 9 shades. Now, are they the best shade? Is this the best palette? No. But it's pretty, and it did the job. So that's my opinion on that. So the last product that I got is from Becca. I love Becca products. And this is their Glow Gloss. And this one is in the shade Camilla. How much does this retail for? This retails for $22, so almost as much as the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, look how bright this is. I feel like I probably should have looked at how bright this gloss was going to be before I picked what colors to do for my eyes, because I'm going to look so stupid. I don't know if this is going to be super opaque, like showing up as vibrant as it is in the tube, or it's just going to be like a light wash of color, but holy crap. Should I do a lip liner? Maybe. Okay, let's go ahead and see how pigmented this really is. Stop! Okay, it's minty. I like that. But oh my god, guys, this is like Barbie pink. Seriously. Honestly, it's really wanting to make me like change up the eye look though. I don't like the combo of it. I'm gonna go into this shade of the palette. This is called Mariana French. And it's so dark. This is like midnight blue. Like it's teal. It's got like, it looks like the base of it is teal, but it has kind of like some dark blue reflexes in it. So I know my lips are tingling. I'm not sure if this claims to be like a lip plumping gloss, but I'm feeling a tingle. Subtle plumping ingredients. Okay, so it is plumping. It says that the color combines the shine of a gloss and the pigment of a liquid lipstick. Well, she is pigmented because she just made me change up my entire eye look here. How do you guys feel about this? Because I honestly don't know how I feel. I kind of wish I'd looked at what lip color I got in advance, because I was not prepared to get freaking Barbie pink lips in my Boxycharm. I'm not the biggest fan of this color. I will be honest. I probably will never wear this again because it's just not my color. I just don't think it's like the cutest. I don't think it's the most flattering. And also pinks that are this bright make my teeth look yellow. So I am not crazy about this one. But yeah, that's gonna wrap everything up. If you guys like seeing these Boxycharm unboxing videos and these try-on videos, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do them monthly. And give this video a thumbs up, like I said, if you did like it. And leave me a comment down below of what you want to see me do next on this channel. I'm always open to suggestions. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!